Irridu niddeċiedu jekk niffokawx fuq dak li diġà għamilna jew fuq x'iridu naraw il-qudiem biex verament ikollna dinja aħjar. Hekk iddikjara l-Prim Ministru Muscat waqt iċ-ċerimonja tal-ftuħ tal-laqgħa tal-kapijiet ta' stati tal-Commonwealth.
We achieve our aspirations in life not by shackling ourselves with the past, but by working hard for the future. That is how social mobility takes place. That is how a society progresses. That is how children achieve more in a short span of time than their parents managed in their whole lifetime. In doing so, they also fulfill the legitimate aspirations of previous generations. In other words, the best way to pay tribute to the past is by focusing firmly on the future.
Il-Prim Ministru rrimarka l-bżonn li dan is-summit jiffoka wkoll fuq il-valuri ta' dan il-grupp ta' pajjiżi li r-Reġina deskriviet bħala familja.
I believe that we should have an agenda with clear priorities for the next few years. An agenda that helps a good Commonwealth add global value.
Il-ġlieda kontra r-radikalizzazzjoni, l-edukazzjoni u x-xogħol, il-ħtieġa ta' governanza tajba, l-ugwaljanza u t-tibdil fil-klima kienu lkoll fuq l-aġenda tal-Prim Ministru li ddikjara li biex il-ġejjieni jkun wieħed tajjeb irid ikun hemm diskussjoni sinċira.
Speak honestly and admit that we might have reservations about each other's actions. Silence doesn't help anyone. And the Commonwealth's most glorious days were when it did speak out. Our focus should be firmly on values and not membership numbers.
Ir-Reġina Eliżabetta it-tieni, il-kap tal-Commonwealth, stqarret li Malta għalkemm ta' daqsżejr xorta għandha leħen importanti ħafna fih dan il-Commonwealth.
With its long history of resilience and courage in the face of adversity, Malta is a reminder that the nation's size is no measure of the moral strength of its people or its willingness to play a full part in the global agenda.
Fakret li ċ-CHOGM beda meta kienet ġiet Malta l-ewwel darba fl-1949 u sa minn dakinhar l-hawn dejjem kienet gburija bit-trasformazzjoni u l-espansjoni tal-Commonwealth biex imbagħad iddikjarat miftuħa din l-edizzjoni li qed tkun meqjusa bħala waħda ta' rilevanza kbira.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to declare open this 24th meeting of Commonwealth Heads of Government.